Yahoo Fantasy Football Draft Tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can create a draft on Yahoo Fantasy Football. So for this, just simply open up the application. After that, select the option of football at the very top and you just have to click on the option of fantasy football. Since the league is not going on right now, that's why it is saying that we cannot play fantasy football as of now and it is asking us to check back later. But let me show you how you can create draft using the example of basketball on Yahoo Fantasy. So let's click on basketball and this is how it will appear when the football league is going on. Play now option will be available. It is not available as of now, but it will be when the league is going on. So just simply click on play now and you will be able to find the option of draft now. Just click on it and wait for it to load. And this way you would be able to draft on Yahoo Fantasy Football. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.